First of all, I would like to pay my high respect to all parents and students. Today, we are going to share and learn a topic with teacher. Okay, let's go. My family. Hello, my name is Jamran. I live with my parents and my brothers, Big and Samel, and my sister, Silmay. We are at home now. What are we doing? Well, it's Saturday and we are doing different activities. For examples, my father is in the garage. He is repairing his car. He uses his car for working. My mother is in the kitchen. She is cooking spaghetti. She cooks very well. She knows that it is my favorite meal. My brother Samuel is in his bedroom with his friends. They are watching some videos. They like films about science fiction very much. My brother, Butch, is in the garden. He is running with Kiki around the garden. Kiki is our pet. Silmay is in the living room. She is sitting on the sofa. She is reading a magazine. Me? Well, I am in the dining room. I'm eating a big sandwich and drinking lemonade. My family គ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំ Hello, my name is ចម្រើន សួស្តីឈ្មោះរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺចម្រើន I live with my parents and my brothers Big and Samuel and my sister Silmay ខ្ញុំរស់នៅជាមួយនឹងឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំហើយនិងបងប្រុសរបស់ខ្ញុំពីរនាក់ Big ហើយនិង Samuel និងបងស្រីរបស់ខ្ញុំម្នាក់ឈ្មោះ Silmay We are at home now ពួកយើងគឺនៅផ្ទះឥឡូវនេះ What are we doing? តែពួកយើងកំពុងធ្វើអ្វី Well, it's Saturday and we are doing different activities. But now វាគឺជាថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ហើយពួកយើងគឺកំពុងតែធ្វើសកម្មភាពដែលខុសៗគ្នា For example, my father is in the garage. ជាឧទាហរណ៍ស្រាប់ឪពុករបស់ខ្ញុំគឺនៅការ៉ា He is repairing his car. គាត់គឺកំពុងតែជួសជុលឡានរបស់គាត់ He uses his car for working. គាត់ប្រើប្រាស់ឡានរបស់គាត់សម្រាប់ធ្វើការ My mother is in the kitchen. ម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺនៅក្នុងផ្ទះបាយ She is cooking spaghetti. គាត់គឺកំពុងតែធ្វើម្ហូប spaghetti. She cooks very well. ម្ហូបរបស់គាត់គឺពិតជាឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់ She knows that it is my favorite meal. គាត់ដឹងថាម្ហូបនោះគឺជាចំណង់ចំណូលចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំ My brother Samuel is in his bedroom with his friends. បងប្រុសរបស់ខ្ញុំ Samuel គឺនៅបន្ទប់របស់គាត់ជាមួយនឹងមិត្តភ័ក្តិជាច្រើនអ្នកទៀតរបស់គាត់ They are watching some videos. ពួកគាត់គឺកំពុងតែមើលវីដេអូមួយចំនួន They like films about science fiction very much. ពួកគាត់គឺចូលចិត្តខ្សែភាពយន្តបែបវិទ្យាសាស្ត្រខ្លាំងណាស់ My brother Big is in the garden. បងប្រុសរបស់ខ្ញុំពេជ្រគឺនៅសួនច្បារ He is running with Kiki around the garden. គាត់គឺកំពុងទៅរត់ជាមួយនឹង Kiki នៅជុំវិញសួនច្បារ Kiki is our pet. Kiki គឺជាសត្វចិញ្ចឹមរបស់ពួកយើង Silmay is in the living room. Silmay គឺកំពុងតែនៅបន្ទប់ទទួលភ្ញៀវ She is sitting on the sofa. នាងគឺកំពុងតែអង្គុយនៅលើសាឡុង She is reading a magazine. នាងគឺកំពុងតែអានទស្សនាវដ្តី Me ខ្ញុំមក Well, I am in the dining room. ពិតណាស់ខ្ញុំគឺកំពុងតែអង្គុយនៅបន្ទប់ទទួលទានអាហារ I'm eating a big sandwich and drinking lemonade. ខ្ញុំគឺកំពុងតែញ៉ាំសាំងវិចដ៏ធំមួយហើយនិងកំពុងតែផឹកទឹកតែក្រូចឆ្មា Okay, the topic was finished. I hope that you got it and learned more by yourself. Thank you.